दोस्तों हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि जब भी हम नए वीडियोस डालें आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए।
So C is a general purpose programming language and it was invented by Dennis Ritchie. And he actually invented C programming language to develop the Unix operating system. And now it is one of the most widely used programming language. And C is sometimes called system programming language because it is very useful for writing system programs like device driver, compiler, linker, assembler, etc. And also, it is a portable programming language. That is, we can write a C program in one machine and it can run in any other machine which supports C without modifying the code. So, it is not tied to any hardware or system. So, it can be called as a hardware independent language or platform independent language. And there are many modern languages which are derived from C. Some examples are C++, Java, PHP, JavaScript, Python, Perl, etc. So all these are C family languages, and for all these languages, C is the foundation. So if we master in C, it will be very easy to learn these modern programming languages.